Appeal letter for the flood victims from the Archbishop Joseph Nguyen of the Archdiocese of Hue. From the Office of the Archbishop of Hue, 22nd of October 2020. Dear benefactors, during the past 2 weeks, central Vietnam has been continuously battered by storms, with hundreds of fellow citizens dead and dozens are still missing. Millions of people stared blankly at the waterfall that swept away desks, beds, chickens, ducks, cattle, crops, and even the future. Floods, storms number 8 and number 9 are entering the mainland again, continuing to attack the provinces from Ha Tinh to Quang Nam. The recent storms and floods have caused tragic scenes, but the waves of love from all over the country and abroad also poured in like a waterfall. The rows of relief teams were so numerous that in some places the highways were congested. The relief teams are working really hard despite the rain and wind, day and night. On behalf of those who were saved, I would like to say thank you to the benefactors who have come in person or sent money from afar. In the midst of the calamity, you have created a wonderful image of a loving Vietnamese people. That is a great promise for the future. The Vietnamese people will remain forever because the love of the people will never end. However, there are still questions that torment us. What will the victims of the flood do tomorrow? How can they restore their homes, gardens, and jobs? Where do the children get the money to continue to go to school? It is difficult to help emergency hunger, but to overcome the long-term consequences is even more difficult. I urge everyone to continue to work together to help people in misery to overcome the dark situations. If it is possible for you to help the people of Ha Tinh and Quang Binh provinces, please contact the Diocese of Ha Tinh. If you want to help the people of Quang Nam, please contact the Diocese of Da Nang. I appeal on everyone, help me carry out my ministry in Tua Tuyen Hue and Quang Tri provinces of the Archdiocese of Hue. In order to make it easy to manage and to ensure financial transparency, please send the relief money to the Hue Archbishop's account as follows. Account holder Nguyen. Telephone 091 2395 558. Account number VND 10091996665. USD 100683319. Euros 10068333429. Bank SHB Tan Hua. We have formed a relief committee of 6 groups, with the participation of all parts of the people of God, including bishops, priests, religious, seminarians and lay people. In order to avoid losses, we commit to directly deliver relief goods. In order for the relief goods to be distributed evenly and properly, the relief team surveyed and mapped the most affected areas. For remote donations, please contact the Caritas Archdiocese of Hue Director, Father Anthony Nguyen Ngoc Hoa, for guidance. May everyone find joy and happiness when sharing love and serving fellow citizens. Joseph Nguyen, Archbishop of Hue, President of the Bishops' Conference of Vietnam.